So yeah, super happy with this bag. Hey, hi, how are you? My name is Roxana and welcome to my neck of the woods. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. And if you're new to my channel, I do videos on bags. If you've seen my last video, I talk about bags that I have not purchased, but I still spend money on bags. And I do, for the most part, buy secondhand, pre-loved bags. Those are my favorite types of bags to buy, or small leather goods. If you're in the bag world, I'm sure you have been watching or you've heard of Beckmann. Recently, she had a vlog sale and I did buy some things from her. I'm very excited. I got late to the vlog sale. I didn't see her video until after most everything else had sold, but I did get some small leather goods from Portland Leather Company. That is what I've been looking for. I've talked about that in previous videos, that I want to get some small bags that I can just move from bag to bag with my essentials in it. Like this one. Oh my God, it is so cute. Let me unbag it. I'm not sure what the name of this color is. It's got their 3 Christmas trees or their pine trees as their logo, and it is very nice and light, and this is definitely something that I can put my essentials, which is like a lip gloss, lip balm, maybe even a small deodorant stick. Have you been watching it just like that? Did you see that whole thing with Sema and that whole deodorant thing? Yeah, I would not be doing that crystal natural deodorant thing. I did try it once before. I don't know why I'm even talking about that. So super happy about this. There is a name for this small bag and I will write it over here once I find the name of it, but I am so happy for it. It's lovely. The lavender color, I'm sure it's something other than lavender, the name of the color, and it says Portland Leather here, so very happy about that. And I love this. I've been looking at these small wallets. For the most part, I carry the cart holders. I have a friend, every time we go out to dinner, I always put the bill on my card and she gives me cash. Now I have cash stuffed all over my purse, and what I plan to do with the small little wallet is to put my cash in here. Or maybe I could definitely put a card and cash. I'm super happy about these Portland leather pieces and I will definitely be using them in my bags. Every single day I am online looking at bags, and I don't even know how I came across this collection, but in 2016 Coach collabed with Pac-Man, and there are some pieces out there. There's some, it says mini bags. I wouldn't mind getting like one of the, they look like Speedies, but Coach, I don't think, they don't call them Speedies. They call them something else, that have Pac-Man on it, but I think those are going to be too small. I've been having so much fun finding the pieces from the Pac-Man collection. I still have a tote that's coming in for Mercari. I can't wait till I get it. I'm not a tote person per se, but it came with, yeah, I'll show you when I do have it. But in this one, I'm expecting to see oh, okay, that's right. I got a bag,
not a bag, but a coin purse or a pouch.
A McDonald's cup, little McDonald's cup. It's a milk glass McDonald's. I don't know what era it's from. Not milk glass, it's Fire King. It's made in USA. It's oven proof, but I don't see the year. You can find just about anything online these days. Fire King, they're about $8 to $10. I don't even know how much I paid for it, but what year is it? Wow, you guys, this collab was in 1976. So this cup is from 1976. It is definitely a small cup. I love it. I don't know if these are like a remake. I do see that they have quite a bit online and they're about $9 each. Let me see, how much did I pay for this? Yeah, I overpaid for this. They were asking $20 for it. I bought this with the Game Over little pouch from the 2060 collab. Now, this one, they were asking $50. And the reason why I went with the seller, because it was the cheapest. The other people were like asking $75, $120. This is the Game Over little pouch. I absolutely love it. Did I get duped? I think it's supposed to have a patch that says Pac-Man on it. Made in Vietnam, maybe not. It has the little tag that says Coach on it. It has a side that you can put cards. Okay, it does look like it's real. I think that there are some of these pouches. They're maybe a little bit bigger. Maybe that's why they were more expensive, but they did have the Pac-Man pouch in there. But anyway, this is what I got so far. I'm back. So I didn't sleep a whole lot. I worked last night. I know, no makeup. I've already been running errands, but I want to open some of these boxes. I seriously don't remember what I got in here, but it looks like this is from Poshmark. But it might be from Whatnot. I'm totally addicted to Whatnot. See, I'm actually watching an auction right now or a seller on Whatnot, and he's selling high-end bags. There are 284 people in this feed. So I might be able to get a good deal on a good pre-loved bag. I bought a Coach recently. I'm hoping this is what this is, that this is from Whatnot, but it might be from Poshmark. I can't remember what I ordered. There is some weight to it. First of all, we're gonna open this bag, this box. This I got from Mercari, and I know what it is. It is Pac-Man tote bag, and there's also a small leather goods, a little
coin purse. That's what I'm trying to say.
Thing that you put from purse to purse. I can't think of the name right now. Sure enough. So I don't usually wear tote bags, but this tote, I was really going for the small leather goods. Let me show you. Ooh, this is nice. Here it is, you guys. It's lovely. I don't usually go for the logo like the CC's on a bag, and what I was going for, there is a bit of an odor to it. I'm not sure what it is, but what I was going for is this part of the bag. I think this is great. It has the collab. This is reversible, so if I want to, I can turn this inside out and wear the red. Now, the red does have a little bit of something in here. I don't know how to get this odor out. It is dirty inside. Now this bag, again, I was more going for this part of it. I think I am going to turn it into my work tote bag. Right now, for my work tote bag, let me show you. I have this. It is from Charlotte Stone, and this was a free gift with purchase. Charlotte Stone makes these lovely shoes. I absolutely love them. I'm gonna insert some pictures in here. Once I figure out how to get the rid of the smell, then this will be my work bag. I really like the Pac-Man, the Miss Pac-Man here, and I think I want this, but I gotta figure out how to get it cleaned. This was $117, and what I was going for is the little ghost. Is a small goods ghost. It's cool, isn't it? It's definitely been pre-loved for sure. It's not bad, it's not horrible, but they are kind of pricey. So this is really what I was going for. So like I said, these two was $117. I already had some money in my account, in my Mercari account, and I used the balance from there. Out of pocket, I paid $50.13. So there's a blue ghost one like this. It's blue, and somebody's trying to sell them for $149, but it is new with tags. Here's one that it's like this color, and it's $130. So these are kind of pricey. It's a coin purse. That's what I'm trying to say, a coin purse. I'm already using the Game Over coin purse. Let me grab that. See, I'm already using the coin purse, the one that I kind of freaked out a little bit. I didn't think it was real. And then I'm using the Portland leather, small good little cases that I can put things like my lipstick that I hardly ever wear, a mirror. This is so cute. Right, this is the Alpine pouch, and it is lavender. That's the name of the color. This one comes in very handy. This is the Roswell pouch, and this one, the color is, I don't have the color of this. The little wallet, I have that in my purse, and you've seen it earlier in the video. But yeah, I'm already using the items that I got from Autumn Beckmann's vlog sale, and I'm already using this that I got from Poshmark. This bag smells horrible. Let me try and let me put it outside, see if it will air out. Okay, you guys. Oh yeah, let's see what I got in this other box. But first, let me take this bag out.
In the next video, I'll let you know if I got the smell out.
Okay, let's see what this is. You know, all the packages except the one from Mercari, they were really packaged nicely. The one from Autumn Beckmann was packaged nicely, and the one that I got from Poshmark, this one is from Rosebud. Thank you for your order. Oh, I got some other goodies. I do love free gifts with purchase. This is High Chew. Maybe it's candy. I'm not sure what this is. I got, oh, perfect, a little mirror. I love these mirrors. I have it in every purse. I have them in almost every pouch. Do I ever use them? Hardly ever. This is very pretty because I hardly ever reapply my lipstick. Okay, yeah, not mad about this. Now let's see what I ordered. I remember now, this is from Poshmark. Super excited about this, super excited. It is the Poppy line, you guys. So this bag, I almost bought one that was a blue color from another seller on Poshmark, but they wanted $225. I actually think it sold. This one I paid, I believe, $157.
She was asking $157, but I offered $115, and she took the offer.
Absolutely love it. I forgot I had ordered it. So this is not from Whatnot. The only call out, and now I don't even see it. The call out was somewhere here. There was like, now I believe it was just the lighting that made it look like it had a defect, because now that I'm looking at it, I don't see any defect. I believe this came on the market in 2016, but don't quote me. I will look it up. Well, let me look it up now. Looking things up is so easy right now. Oh, wow. Summer of 2009. That's when this was introduced. It was a lower price line of handbags, shoes, and accessory aimed at younger demographic and featured more vibrant, youthful colors. More youthful aesthetic than the traditional Coach. I love this. I love this. So it was 2000s. Is that Y2K? I believe that's Y2K. All the stuff that I got from Poshmark. Oh, look at this. It has a crossbody. All the stuff that I got from Poshmark, I had money in my account balance. I don't have any right now, so I have to sell some more. Love all the stuffing for the bag. So I'm not good at all at reading exactly the year of this bag. This bag is wonderful. It's absolutely wonderful. In fact, this and the Patricia Nash. Oh, it's up there. Can you see it? Patricia Nash. These were the red bags that I had in my collection. I'm going to sell this. I'm going to put this on eBay, Poshmark, or Mercari. I had this for a while, for a few years. And I kind of wanted a new red bag. And now I have a new red bag. And I'm super happy. You know what? I forgot to show you. It has these lovely tags. It has Poppy written on here. I am so happy about this bag. So the other thing that I like the noise it makes. So it already has charms on it. I'm sure I can add more charms. I would add more charms over here. We'll see. Another Coach charm or something. I absolutely love the flower decals. So yeah, super happy with this bag. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. If this kind of content is your vibe, by all means, please subscribe. Take care. Bye.